And thank the Reserve Bank of India, the central bank in its monetary policy has reduced the risk weightage on high-value home loans. It has also brought down the provisioning limits on home loans. CNBC TV 18 Shruti Malhotra and Ashwini Priolker tell you why that's important.
RBI Governor Urjit Patel has given aspiring homeowners a reason to smile because home loans may soon get a little cheaper. He's done this through three changes. The first has to do with standard provisioning, which is the money banks set aside as security against any loan they give out. This standard provisioning has now been reduced specifically for home loans. So instead of the earlier 0.4%, which worked out to banks setting aside 400 rupees for every 1 lakh rupees given out as a home loan, banks now have to set aside just 0.25%. That's 250 rupees for every 1 lakh rupees. The second change has to do with special provisioning that banks had to institute for home loans. Here, the RBI has reduced the risk weightage on housing loans of between 30 lakh rupees and 75 lakh rupees to 35% from the earlier 50%, and the risk weightage on loans above 75 lakh rupees to 50% from the earlier 75%. Both these moves give banks more money to disburse as home loans.
For a lender, it makes a difference to some categories of lenders and to certain segments of the market to which you lend. So there are several buckets in which risk weights have been placed. So it ranges from 35% all the way to 100%. If rates in the system come down, if bond rates come down, then yes, a little bit of reduction in rates over the next couple of months.
The third change has to do with the loan-to-value ratio. Essentially, how much of the cost of a home a bank can finance. The RBI has hiked the loan-to-value for loans between 30 and 75 lakh rupees from 75% to 80%, meaning the bank can now finance 80% of the cost of the property, with the home buyer making up the difference. The changes have grabbed the attention of developers in metros like Mumbai, Delhi NCR, Bengaluru, Kolkata and Chennai.
Recent changes by the RBI makes house loans for the high-end segments more affordable. Now we expect the bankers to pass on these benefits to the home loan seekers so that houses are more affordable to them.
The Reserve Bank's move leaves the banks with more capital on their hands, and now is the time for the banks to pass on this benefit to the consumers. With home loans already at a 10-year low and with government subsidy on interest rates to affordable home, it is a win-win situation for home buyers across all categories. With Shruti Malhotra in Mumbai, Ashwini Priolker.